the shortest NASCAR race in history. Did you know that the shortest race in NASCAR history lasted just 30 laps? It happened at Martinsville Speedway in 1975. Heavy rain poured down, forcing officials to call the race early. The result? A record-breaking, unforgettable sprint. Despite its brevity, the race was counted as an official NASCAR event, leaving fans and drivers stunned. Imagine preparing for hours of action only for Mother Nature to take the checkered flag. This unusual event stands as a reminder of NASCAR's unpredictable spirit and the enduring thrills of the sport, rain or shine. Don't miss stories like these. Share and follow us for more incredible NASCAR moments.